Welcome back to MVP Auto Pro, your trusted source for in-depth motorcycle reviews, updates, and everything two-wheeled. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most iconic touring bikes in the world, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. With its legendary road presence, enhanced features, and unmistakable Harley attitude, the new Street Glide is here to redefine long-distance riding. Let's dive in. Design, timeless Harley DNA with modern precision. The 2025 Street Glide continues to carry forward Harley's timeless cruiser design, now with sharper, more aerodynamic lines and updated detailing. The signature batwing fairing has been subtly redesigned to improve wind deflection and give the bike a more sculpted look. Chrome accents are tastefully integrated, while bold paint options like billiard gray, vivid black, and whiskey fire ensure head-turning curb appeal. The rear end is clean and muscular, with hard saddlebags seamlessly integrated into the flowing lines of the bike. From the front fender to the rear lights, the 2025 Street Glide is unmistakably Harley, bold, proud, and commanding attention. Engine and performance, Milwaukee muscle refined. At the heart of the 2025 Street Glide lies the updated Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin engine, delivering smooth, strong torque and a classic rumble that only a Harley can provide. With improved cooling and performance tuning, this air and oil-cooled beast pumps out more than 105 horsepower and 175 newton-meters of torque, making highway cruising effortless even when fully loaded. The throttle response is refined, the gear shifts are smoother, and thanks to Harley's latest engine calibration, it delivers power in a linear, predictable way, ideal for both long-distance riders and city cruising enthusiasts. Comfort and touring capabilities, built for the open road. The 2025 Street Glide isn't just about looks and power, it's about the ride. With a well-padded rider seat, mid-height handlebars, and floorboards that offer ample foot space, the ergonomics are designed for maximum comfort over long hours on the saddle. The bike comes equipped with refined suspension, including Showa dual bending valve front forks and emulsion rear shocks with hydraulic preload adjustment. This means smooth sailing across rough highways, city bumps, or twisting back roads. Add to that the refined saddlebags and optional tour pack luggage, and you've got a cruiser ready for serious travel. Technology and features, where classic meets cutting edge. In true Harley fashion, the 2025 Street Glide merges heritage with tech. The new 12.3-inch full-color touchscreen display, powered by the Skyline OS, serves as the central command hub for everything from navigation and music to bike settings and smartphone connectivity. It supports Apple CarPlay, voice control, and includes Harley's Boom Box GTS infotainment system for crystal-clear audio from the premium speakers embedded in the fairing. Riders also benefit from cruise control, cornering ABS, traction control, and hill hold assist, making long-distance touring safer and easier than ever. Riding experience, legendary street presence. Twisting the throttle on the 2025 Street Glide is a reminder of why this bike commands so much respect. The weight feels planted rather than heavy, the steering is balanced and confident, and the braking system is strong yet progressive. Whether cruising down Route 66 or gliding through urban traffic, the Street Glide makes every ride feel like a statement. Its low-slung stance, deep exhaust note, and iconic silhouette make it more than just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of freedom, adventure, and American craftsmanship. Conclusion: the gold standard of touring cruisers. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide is more than an upgrade. It's a full evolution of what a grand touring motorcycle should be. Powerful, tech-savvy, stylish, and endlessly capable. It delivers on every promise that Harley-Davidson stands for. From solo weekend getaways to cross-country adventures, the Street Glide continues to be the gold standard in the touring segment.
Outro, subscribe to MVP Auto Pro.
Thanks for joining us at MVP Auto Pro for this detailed look at the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. If you're a fan of cruisers, touring machines, or just love iconic motorcycle design, this bike is one you can't ignore. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates, reviews, and motorcycle deep dives. Until next time, ride safe and ride proud.